Namaste. That Kriya is very simple, can change everything in your life. It can heal you, it uplifts you, it's just very simple. The name of this Kriya is Jaya Kriya. Jaya means is victory, winning something. What the benefit of this Kriya? On physical level, it activates your lungs. And breathing is everything. It's change your life, it's change your mood, it's change your energy. It is so good for you when you are breathing properly. Next thing is activate your shoulder joints, elbows, also activate your lymph nodes. Lymph nodes detoxifying you, purifying you. And lymph nodes also is really good to preventing breast cancer. It is very important to activate your lymph nodes. And this is also is very good for calming, grounding, but same time uplifting you. So how long you should be practicing Jaya Kriya? You can start from 1 minute to 3 minutes. So precautions for this practice. One is if someone has shoulder or neck issues, they can do halfway. Other precaution, if you have very bad cold, your both nose is blocked, you can't do this Kriya. Other thing is if your one nose is blocked, you still can apply it, but it's better to clean, you do the jal neti, sutra neti, or eat right food to continue to open your both nostrils. When you are applying Jaya Kriya, there is some common mistake I am seeing when people practicing. One is they go so fast, so even they can't breathe properly. It is not going fast, it's fully inhale, fully exhale. Second common mistake, when you inhaling, it is just bending elbows. It is full inhale, actually spread fingers. And when you exhale, you squeezing thumb. You all the way exhale, and that squeezing is going until center of your pelvis. Sometimes people just doing the halfway. So it's not about halfway. Your speed of the breathing and the movement should be sync. If you're going faster, so your arms also is going faster. So always inhale going up, exhaling going down. Okay? Now let's do the full practice. So let's sitting into easy comfortable pose for Jaya Kriya. Touch index finger with your thumb, eyes closed. Few deeper breathing, and doing this practice to uplifting. Longer exhale, longer inhale. Let's start. You inhale, raise arms up, exhaling down. Inhale, raise arms, hold breath in. A little bit more inhale, spread your fingers. Just feel prana is spreading all over in your body to heal deeply. A little more inhale and up, and exhale. Hands to your knees, touch index finger with your thumb, eyes closed, continue. Happy breathing with a smile. Breathing in the sensation, breathing into your entire body. It's healing you physically, mentally, emotionally. Same time, feel very calm. Feel internal relaxed. Soften shoulder, lifting crown. Less happy big inhale. And exhale. Softly open eyes with a smile. Namaste. You can do this practice 3 to 5 times. It is so good, so simple.